What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this video is very exciting for me. I just reached 100,000 monetized views. So I am going to take you through my analytics and show you exactly how much I made. And I can tell you that most YouTubers are lying to you. I understand that some YouTubers, depending on what markets they're in, they make less money, but they can't think that every single market makes the same amount that they do. If they don't know how much they make or how much other people make, then I understand. But don't speak out of turn, basically. Don't speak about things that you don't know about, if that's the case. But they're basically lying to you. So I wanted to go into exactly how much I made and how you can really get started. So these are the key points that are going to be in this video. I'm going to go through my growth just to show you exactly what the growth is for when I started until now. I'm going to also go through my subscriber growth, and I'm going to go through the revenue growth, and then actually I'll take you through my top videos just to show you what videos perform at what levels. Now, I will not show the CPM rate. I don't know why. I just hear that guidelines and procedures, you shouldn't basically show what you pay, just show what you get paid. Just like if you're at work and you tell a coworker your salary, it's grounds for termination, things like that. So yes, I'm showing you the whole dollar figure, but I'm not showing you exactly how much I get paid on each type of video. Or actually, I'm not showing you how much I get paid per 1,000 monetized playbacks. So that's something that I'm not showing you, but you can do the math in your head if you want to. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm actually going to take you into my screen, and you're probably not going to see any of me. So first, what you see here is I'm actually just taking you through the reach tab, because if I took you through any other tab, you would see how much I got paid right from the start. And you have to lead things on a little bit. So I want to actually talk through my growth. Now, this is going to be growth for 365 days, let's just say the last year. Now, I've only been doing YouTube for about 9 months, going on 10. So when I started over here with very minimal views, 37 views per day, and it didn't really take off there. I was doing a lot of personal finance videos rather than credit card videos, and credit card videos tend to take off a little bit more. More people are searching for them, I guess. Less people are searching for personal finance, or the market is saturated in some way. So I have, less than 100 views all from the beginning. But then after, let's say, June? So let's say 6 months. After 6 months, once I got to June, I started to skyrocket. And I don't know what video it was. I started to skyrocket here. So I had a bunch of videos. I guess it's the fact that all of them were combined, and you just had multiple videos generating views. So whether it's just 10 views here, 10 views there, then all of that together would equal to 100, 600, 1,000 views or so. So that's when I started to actually have growth here. And it started to go down a little bit. I guess I started to do more personal finance videos as well. I really do want to give everybody personal finance. Give everybody personal finance tips. Also give everybody credit card tips, investing tips. I really want to give everybody everything. I know it's tough to do that, but I try and narrow it down. So I only have basically 3 things that I go over, and then sometimes I talk about growth and YouTube performance. So obviously I started to get up to about 1,000 views, close to 2,000. At one point I got over 2,000, and then recently I got over 2,000 as well. So obviously you could see the growth. It's steadily going up. Yes, it has its dips. It has its mountains and valleys, I guess. But altogether, my total channel views 175K. I wouldn't have thought that I would gotten to this place. I understand back in the back of my mind, I wanted to get to millions of views, but the real expectation, seeing everybody else's channel, it was just, 175,000 views really wasn't something that I thought of in the first year. To the subscriber count. So here from the beginning, I actually had 46. I was doing a lot of social media advertising of my videos and of my channel. So I had a lot of friends and family and people that are close to me subscribe to me early. So it looks a little bit skewed here. Because in the beginning, when I first started, I was gaining 3 or 4 or something like that. And at points I was gaining 0 or 1. So to get a bunch of people that I knew that were close to me, that live in the same area as me, to subscribe to me is amazing. I wouldn't have done it that way if I had to do it a second time, just because I want organic growth and I want them to be able to find me, because some of these people that are just subscribed to me don't really watch me, but they're just subscribed. So that's what I didn't want. Over the last 365 days, I gained 2.5K subscribers. That's amazing. Well, it's not 365 days. It's only like 9 months. But you can see the growth. This is where it started to be organic growth right here. So as I got up to this point, so we got up to June again, and I had a spike. And then it started to steady out, 10, 1, average of like maybe 5 or 6 or something like that. Now I'm averaging about 10 or 15. So as I'm going along, I'm getting a lot more views, 2,000, 1,000, whatever, more views. And I have a bunch of people that are subscribing to me. Some people subscribe to me just because of the giveaway. Some people subscribe to me because they actually like my comment. And some people subscribe to me for both. So, I'm really happy with the performance. I'm happy with people that subscribe to me and comment and like and all that stuff. So 2,500 subscribers in the last 9 months, basically. And I'm hoping that I can get to 5,000 by the end of the year. If you can, push me to 5,000. So let's go ahead and get into the actual revenue piece. So you can see the revenue piece there, but let's actually break it down by day. So I know exactly when I started, when I was monetized. It was July 23rd. That's when I started. I can apply that. That's 2018. Why did I select that? So you're going to see that 107,000 views in this time period. I had about 500,000 hours of watch time or minutes of watch time. And then I gained about 1.2K subscribers. Now this is over 2.5 months, I would say. I was gaining about 400 subscribers a month. And, obviously that adds up, and I gained $1,557. Now, this is amazing, because I wouldn't have expected this. Most people on YouTube told me that 100,000 views, would only give me $100. So I basically get $1 per 1,000 views. Now, this is a different story, when it comes to this, because you can see it here. I'm basically gaining $10, $15 per 1,000 views. So that's, 15 times what they said. So I'm really happy with the performance, and I know that they lied, and yes, they may be in different markets, but there's no way they were seeing that person that talks about YouTube and growth on YouTube only gains $1 per 1,000 views. I would imagine average he gains like 4, but I'm not going to judge because I don't know. I will research different CPMs for different areas, and maybe I'll do a video on that, and maybe I'll get demonetized if I do that. I don't know. But all I know is that I made $1,500. Now, my withdrawal period that I do is I only want to take out, $5,000, $10,000 at a time. So I don't want to get $100 in the mail every time there's a $100 payout. I don't want that. I just want it all as one lump sum, and then we can go from there. So, yeah. Now, let's go into the actual breakdown of how much I got paid for each individual video. These are my top performing videos. So if you look at it, my investing video outperformed everything by a heck of a lot. So all of my investing videos are doing so much better than other videos. Like this video had 6,000 views, the 6 must-have credit cards, and I got $100 from it, basically $90 from it. This video had a lot of views before I was monetized, and then is steadily gaining views. But you have $208 that I gained from that video alone. So let's check out the monthly estimates. So I have July here at $71. I have August at basically $500. I have September closer to $800, which is amazing. And then October, which is at basically $250. So I feel like I'm performing pretty well. And obviously I'm going to have to pay taxes on all this money. But it's amazing to see that one video is outperforming the rest. And this video in the first month had like 40 views, and then all of a sudden it started to gain views. So it's not about how many views you gain right from the start. It's about the long term, the longevity of that video. On the total amount that I made over the 2.5 months, over the 100,000 views, is $1,500. So if someone tells you you have to get to 100,000 views in order to make $100, that's a lie. It's 100% a lie, and it just really all depends what market you're in. And I don't even believe those markets would be that low. So like I said, I mean, I know these videos have been long. I think my last video was long as well. But I just really want to get the point across that people need to understand how much you can make on YouTube. And if you are a person that comments on YouTube, that has a lot of knowledge in certain areas, make a YouTube video, make a YouTube channel. I know it takes time, but you never know if your channel will blow up. There are people out there that didn't know that one video would blow up, and now they start creating YouTube videos. They got 30,000 views on that video. They have 1,000 subscribers or something like that. And now they're making money on YouTube, right? So it's a way of gaining passive income, because it's videos like the Fidelity video that I haven't recorded. I think that's 5 months old, and I made $200 on it. So it's a form of passive income, and it's only going to help you out in the end to be able to gain more money. And as you go along and create videos, you gain more money. Now, I'm telling you this because I care about everybody. Do not create controversial videos. Do not create a video and release company information and, talk about your company in any way, because then that's ground for termination at your job. And then you also have less income because you're just creating YouTube videos. Now, it depends. If your video blows up, then I understand, and your channel blows up, but I don't recommend doing that because it's tough. I like working my 9 to 5. I also like creating YouTube videos. I also like other forms of passive income. So this video is here to inspire anybody who is thinking about creating a YouTube channel. Just put your camera up. Literally, I don't care how you do it. You don't have to wait until you get all of your equipment. You can get the equipment down in my storefront if you want to check that out. But you don't have to get all your equipment. Just place it on a wall and start talking. Create your first video. Graham Stephan created his first video by holding his phone and talking about real estate for I don't know how many minutes. But that just shows that you do not need to start with like top quality stuff. You progress into the best quality you could possibly get, but you don't have to start that way. So that's my video. I made $1,500 in my first 2 months, in my first 100,000 views, and I plan on, going above and beyond. I hope that I can grow a lot faster. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm glad you stuck around if you did stick around to the end, if you watched the whole thing. But I'm gonna have to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.